Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happening, and this is Tips and Techniques Tuesday, and I want to show you how to decorate our 3x6 bags. What you need to do, well, let me grab a new bag. I thought I... So the 3x6 bags, they're the cellophane bags, and they're pleated. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a stamp. I'm just using the birthday blooms. You're going to need some ink. I am going to use Stampin' and Versamark, and then I'm also going to be using our stamping blends. Okay, what you're going to need is, I've got a piece of crushed curry here, 5.5 by 3 inches, and then I've got a piece of designer series paper 3x3, but you can use almost any kind. You're also going to need clear embossing powder, and you're going to need your heat gun. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to stamp. Where is my... Okay, we're going to ink up first with Versamark and then with the Stampin'. And then you want to be careful, and you just want to go straight down and straight up, okay? And then, I'm so glad we got Stampin' back. And then you just want to put some of the clear embossing powder on it. And make sure all the embossing powder is off. You can use the embossing buddy if you want. I can't find mine, so... And then, now this is going to get really loud. You want to go very slowly and up high with the heat tool, because it will, the minute it starts to melt the embossing powder, it will also start to melt the bag. So. Okay, we're going to just set that aside for now. And what I am going to do, why I'm going to do that, I'm going to take my 5.5 by 3 inch piece, and I am going to score this at 2 inches. So I'm just going to put that in here and just score it at 2 inches, okay? And then I'm just going to fold it. But first off, what I want to do is I'm going to take my stamping blends, and I'm going to color this. So let's do a blue flower. And the darker the color, the better. This is the Bermuda Bay Dark. That's still not very dark. You can't hardly see it. You can see it. Let's see if I can. See? You can see it on there just lightly. And then I'm going to take the dark old olive and do the... I'm so glad we got new greens coming. And there we go. We just want to leave that sit for a little bit. And we're going to, now all we're going to do is we're going to take this, the piece of 5.5 by 3, we're going to open this, and you may want to just take a couple of glue dots. Now you don't have to. You may want to just take a couple of glue dots and you're going to glue this end piece down, just like this. Open it up, make sure you open it up, and you're just going to glue that down. And that's only because so that it'll stand, okay? And now what we're going to do is we're just going to put this piece in here, and we're going to just work it to the bottom, okay? Just like that, okay? And now you can fill it with whatever you want, candy, you can fill it with goodies, anything you want. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to fold it in half. And you're going to take a glue dot or so, and you're going to fold this over, and then you're going to put this on top. Now you can also punch it out and put that on, or you can put a saying on it or anything. But there you have your nice little baggie for it. So for Tips and Techniques Tuesday and Mary's Stamping Happenings, remember to follow me on YouTube. And if you want to purchase any of this stuff, the information's below. Thanks for visiting. Bye-bye.